YouTube, it's your boy Donnn here today, man. And today I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek or a sneak listen. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm gonna take you guys on the road today to let you guys hear firsthand how it sounds to have a 37-inch tire on your truck on the highway. So if you don't have 37-inch tires, guys, I'm gonna let you get a listen at how it sounds to be on the highway or on the interstate, just driving in your truck, everyday life of having big wheels. So let's get into it. So yeah, YouTube, I'm gonna let y'all hear some clips from outside of the Jeep of the tire noise, and then we're gonna take a trip on the highway and then make our way to the interstate slowly. So let's get into it. Alright, YouTube, we're on the way to the interstate right now. We're gonna start off on the highway, but don't forget I have a 6-inch lift, so you might hear a little bit more wind than tires. So I'm in the passenger seat for once. We got that boy Scat Pack Dex chauffeuring me for the day while I be cameraman. So let's get to this interstate so y'all can hear this firsthand. Alright, y'all, we heading to the interstate right now. We're at 44, 45 right now. And you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but we're gonna get it up to 70 and see what it sounds like. We at 63, 64. Not at 70, YouTube. My speedometer's messed up because of the tires. It's actually going about 76 to 77. So let y'all get a listen at that. Still hear the air inside this bitch because of that lift. And you also could probably hear the air from my lift too, YouTube. So I will roll down the window for you guys and let you hear, but you probably won't hear nothing but wind. So there you have it, YouTube. That's what it sounds like to have 37-inch tires on a daily basis. That's what I have to hear every day. I mean, it isn't as loud as people expect it to be, at least in this truck, in the Jeep Wrangler. It isn't that loud, but if you're looking forward to getting some 37-inch tires, that's what you're going to hear 9 times out of 10, which it isn't that bad. You know, you turn on your music, and as you keep driving it every day, you won't even notice it anymore. So, and appreciate y'all for tuning in with your boy Donnn today while y'all take a listen at these 37-inch tires. Make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. We out.